Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Recently, I've become more and more concerned with the plastic coffee pods, and so I switched over to the stainless steel ones. They come in a 2-pack, and so far I am very happy with them.
One of the things that held me back from getting these was that I was going to have to refill them every day myself. But as you can see here, it was so simple and easy to do. I didn't even have to use a spoon. I just poured it in the K cup and we were good to go. These are really nice, very well made, and you can see here a comparison of their size compared to a regular K-cup pod. It's very similar, little bit shorter, I would say, but the coffee is amazing. That was something else that I was concerned about, that it might be weaker, not as rich in flavor. But let me tell you, it, as you can see here, is a nice dark roast, and the flavor was exceptional. I also had to take into account that I was going to have to clean these. But again, this was such a simple and easy process. I ran them under hot water. I put them on a paper towel to dry, and they were good to go.
So if you're looking for doing something that will be better for your health, will save the environment, and save you some money, I definitely would recommend these reusable coffee pods. They are amazing. They give me that rich, dark, delicious cup of coffee I need in the morning. And I think they'll do the same for you. And that's my point of view.